Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a bunch of Victorinox Classic limited edition folding knives. It has been a while since I featured here on my channel this lovely nice compact format of the Victorinox Classic. So recently I did pick up a few limited edition for 2018, so let's go through them and a little bit also the information about the background. So as you may probably know, Victorinox is making an anniversary edition contest every year. So for 2018 they did reach out to the competitors to produce designs, and the theme was places of the world. So they got really huge feedback from the competitors, from the designers. They received 862 designs from 62 different countries. So they picked a few up. I don't know the exact number how many were produced. I did acquire 5 of them. So let's see. So this one is obviously New York. Has beautiful city rendering, Statue of Liberty, Empire State Building, of course. And if you don't know about this format or this variant of the Victorinox knife, you will get a small blade, you will get a nail file with a 2.5mm screwdriver, and the opposing side you have scissors. So here are the well-known and beloved scissors, and also you will get a key ring and tweezers and toothpick. So the blade is 3.3 centimeters or 1.3 inch. So if that is something you have to consider in your country, if you have a law that prohibits you to carry a larger knife, keep that in mind. The handle length is 5.8 centimeters, and the weight of the knife with the keychain is 22.1 gram or 0.8 ounces. Here the second one is called the Call of Switzerland. We have a camper, or somebody who is relaxing at the campsite, preparing a meal or lunch. And here we have some people who are walking. This one is called Alps Love. We have a boy and a girl, a butterfly, and some mountains, Alps probably because of the name, the shield, and some house or cottage, cows. Yes, because the Alps are well known for their quality milk. The fourth one is called New Zealand, just New Zealand. It has some nice rendering, probably New Zealand art. And the last one I got is called A Trip to London. We have here the double-decker bus, and also it says A Trip to London with a telephone booth, with a teapot, nicely representing England. So this will be added to my collection, and I try to make a collection update. Not so much has changed since the last one, because I really did not got that many more of these classics. So if you are interested, just go and check out my Swiss Army knife playlist, and you will see them. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you are interested in this knife, probably the best way would be check out eBay. I try to link you also a website where I bought mine. I don't know if they all are still available there. Keep in mind, this is a limited edition for 2018. Yes, I did bought them in 2019, but it takes a little bit time to these come to the retailers. The price of the single one is around 22.5 euros, depending on your obviously your preferred retailer. So yeah, so thanks for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, please consider subscribing. I try to publish at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented. Also sometimes I put unboxings and miniature and painting, Warhammer stuff, these kind of things. If you're interested, just go and check out my playlists. So that is probably everything for today. I wish you a nice day. See you soon, and